Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our VW Touran. So this is our 2010 VW Touran. It's only covered just over 80,000 miles from new, which is nice low mileage for 2010. It's only had two former keepers, with the last owning it for nearly 10 years. And whilst in our care, we've given it a service, replaced the all-important cam belt and water pump, put new disc and pads on all round, a little bit of suspension work for the MOT to give it a no advisory MOT, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in pretty good condition for the age, few little marks here and there, but it's got to be expected, it's a 2010 car now. Inside, it's all in pretty good condition. AM/FM radio, cruise control, trip computer, electric windows in the front. It's a 1.9 diesel with a 6-speed manual. Very economical engines. Plenty of legroom in the back. These seats do move back and forward as well. And a very, very practical boot. You've also got two seats under here which do fold up to give you that 7-seater. Very, very practical, low mileage, family motor. Good condition for the age and mileage, as I say, a few little bits and bobs here and there, as to be expected on a used car. Very economical engine. Cam belt's been done, service, new disc and pads all round, ready to go to its new owner. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, it really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.